Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will learn lesson number 5, that is natural vegetation and wildlife of your geography book. In this chapter we will study biological diversity or biodiversity, India's position regarding this biodiversity, flora and fauna and natural vegetation. Regarding this biodiversity, if we look around us closely, we will see a number of things, number of these living things around us. Like there are plants, there are animals, there are bushes, so many things, so many living things around us. And this is termed as biodiversity. Why this is called biodiversity? It is from the fact that there are differences among all these living things that we see around us. And regarding India, if we look at India, we will see India is quite a very large country. It has number of landforms. It has diversity of every sort. Landforms are quite diverse. We will see differences from one part of the country to another part of the country. And this results in difference of life form as well. And regarding India, we will see it is placed 12th regarding biodiversity in the world. It has more than 47,000 plant species. And from these plant species, there are 15,000 only flowering plants. There are more than 90,000 animal species in India. And if we will see, there are about 2,500 species of fish alone. So these facts clearly indicate that India is placed, or India has a rich biodiversity. Coming to flora and fauna, flora refers to the plant cover of a particular area, and similarly fauna refers to the animals that live in a particular area. Now coming to natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to the plant community or the plant cover of a particular area that has been left undisturbed or that has grown without the aid of human beings. So if we look at this definition, that natural vegetation refers to the plant community that has grown on its own, we will see that India's vegetation has not remained natural in its real sense. And in this natural vegetation, there is a term that is virgin vegetation. This refers to that plant cover, to that plant community that has grown on its own without the aid or without the disturbance of human beings. And from this virgin vegetation, that vegetation which is truly Indian, that is called endemic vegetation. And that vegetation that has been brought from foreign countries, that is called as exotic vegetation. The factors that affect natural vegetation, that are relief. Relief, as you already know, it reflects the geography of a particular area. In relief, we see land. How land affects this natural vegetation? As you may be knowing this, that different types of land support different types of vegetation. Like deserts are suitable for growth of bushes and cactus. Similarly, plateaus or undulating lands, they are meant for or they support grasslands. And similarly, mountains, they are suitable for the growth of forests or conical trees. And soil, as you know, soil, how it supports or how it affects natural vegetation is, soil differs from place to place. Somewhere soil is fertile, somewhere it is less fertile, or somewhere there are sandy soils. So different types of soil support different types of vegetation. Generally, fertile soils are preferred for agriculture or crops. Similarly, sandy soils, they support these thorny bushes and these cactuses. And climate, how it affects this natural vegetation is, see, climate consists of three aspects. That is temperature, photoperiod and precipitation. This temperature, generally we see the places on the surface of earth or in India, here we are talking of India, the places which have more temperature, there is a huge growth of trees. And the places which are cool or which are cold, they are generally devoid of vegetation, or there is less vegetation is found in those areas. So, more the temperature, more the plant cover, or less the temperature, less the plant cover. Another feature of this climate is photoperiod. The places on the surface of earth that receive more sunlight, generally the areas, equatorial areas, are the places that are located on tropics, either of the tropics, either on Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn. They receive more sunlight than polar regions. And naturally, when there is more sunlight, there will be more growth of plants and trees. And precipitation, it has been seen that the dense forests of the world, they are located in those areas which receive more rains, or humid areas of the world, the forests are very dense there, than those areas which receive less this precipitation. Precipitation may be in different forms, it may be rain, it may be snow, but generally hot and humid. Humid means the areas which receive more rain. There are thick jungles, thick forests are there than the areas which receive less rainfall. Like deserts, you may know it that their plant cover is very thin or they are devoid of any vegetation. In this context, that how temperature affects the natural vegetation of an area, you can go to page number 43 of your book. There is a table which shows how temperature affects this natural vegetation of an area. This table clearly shows the effect of temperature on the natural vegetation or the plant cover of an area.